Johnson Family Lifestyle here, going to take you on a little tour. This one actually is pretty fancy. Got you a loft up top. Two lofts like that, right above the porch there. Well, see what they did. They made the other loft hang over the porch, so give you the awning, give you the porch awning. This one here, they want $11,000 for it. Guaranteed you can do this for half. 12 by 28. So for a 12 by 28, you can definitely do something real nice with this. This is pretty good. Well, there you have it, guys. Not bad at all. Taking a look at some more ideas, some more cabin ideas. Just trying to get a feel of something we can build, simple. This one here, it's a little bit bigger, garage style, but you can close it in all four walls. It's a little bit bigger here. This looks like a 12 by 24. Metal roof. Guys, you can definitely build this yourself and have definitely a one bedroom. Get you a bunk bed or something in here if you got anybody helping you build. Get you a little kitchenette. Just to kind of give you an idea of what they're talking about in price, this is a 10 by 20, and they want $6,200 for it. You can definitely probably build this for half the price, if not less. And then for that price, you definitely can have your insulation and all that stuff in there. So for $6,000, I'm pretty sure that you can do a lot better than this here. 2x4 studs, you can put 2x6. Pretty sure you can do a lot better. But just looking to get some ideas, guys. We're still on the hunt. I'm still trying to figure out what we're gonna do. temporary shelter, but we will definitely make the walls and roof a little bit stronger. As you see, it does have a loft up there. I don't know what they're asking for, but you know, we can price it out and figure out what it would be to build ourselves. Just showing you how you can run your electric, showing you how you can run your insulation. And you can change up the style of the doors. You got a panel coming in. So just kind of give you an idea of what you can do with something like this, of this size. It does have 2 lofts. You can raise the roof a little bit. Now you can build the suit with this kind of idea of what something like this would look like if you put it on your land before you build your main house or homestead or cabin or whichever type of build you want to do for housing. But this is a nice, this would be a nice shelter to have while you're doing your main build.